Hey, 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 ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina Wright here, and I am super stoked. Listen, these events really just shift me. It shifts my mindset because have you ever had an idea and you knew what to do? You knew what to do, but you just, hey, paper girl, you knew what to do, but you just couldn't make yourself do it, right? Antonio, listen, like and share this video. I want to show y'all something. So have you ever let me know, have you ever, you had an idea, you knew and then once even though you had the idea, you knew what to do, you knew how to open up that business, you knew how to go buy that house, you knew how to go buy that car, you knew how to do it, but you still scared, right? False evidence appearing real. You're still scared. You done made up in your mind that they probably gonna say no because your credit ain't good. They gonna probably say no. I mean, you play all these things in your head. The reason why you never take action. And so I come to these events, the Bob Proctor events, because I understand what's going on, and it's my paradigm. It's a habitual habit that our brain is designed to keep us safe. And so whenever you are feeling like you can't move forward, right, girl, the shit is holding you back. And so you have to go ahead and just take that leap of faith. But you first have to figure out why you're doing what you're doing, right? And so I come to these events to help me figure out why I'm doing what I'm doing. And I figured out it's my paradigm. I figured out, that I'm here to terror bearer. I figured out all the things that I was doing wrong. And so nothing can hold me back now. But I just got to show you guys this. While I was at the event, I was able to speak at Bob event. I was able to speak at Bob event, guys. So let me show y'all. And it's live. So if I were you, I would get the recording. I would get the live stream of it. But let me just show you the video. Let me get the video up.
Drawn over to you.
Hello, everyone. Hello. My name is Sabrina Wright, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I came in October, and I met my friend Danielle here, and Bob told us to tell what we wanted. Okay, so I told Danielle, I told the whole table really in October that I wanted to open up a juice bar. So I went home, and immediately after I left the event, and I got the building for the juice bar. And I was just like you. I was like, holy crap, what did I just do? Because I don't have any money to open up a juice bar. So how am I going to make this happen? So I came up with a plan, and I had a budget and business plan and all this stuff. And so I began to make the moves to get everything done. And then I kept hitting the terror bearer because every time I got ready to open up, something happened. Like, now I need a grease trap. Now I need to redo the electrical parts. I'm like, okay, the budget that I had, I'm way over budget at this point. What am I going to do? And so I kept visualizing, and every time I was visualized, come back for the inspection, it still wouldn't pass. Something else would come up. So I'm like, oh my God. I started feeling like I just wanted to give up and just let it go. But I didn't. Whatever they said needed to happen, I went back to the drawing board and kept visualizing and kept trying to figure out what I was going to do. Lo and behold, at the end of this month, we open up. Yay!
What's it called?
It's called Magnificent Smoothies in Douglasville.
Magnificent Smoothies.
Yes, and I'm having a big grand opening in November, and my friends are coming, right? I said y'all was coming? Okay.
Are you going to have a franchise?
Yes, I do want the franchise. That's what I was just telling them as well. Because he's like, that's awesome. Tight as goals. So I was like, okay. At first I was thinking, I got to wait and see what this juice bar is going to do. But after this event, you asked how we was going to use this information.
Yes.
I said, I'm not going to worry about it. My goal is to have one all across the world, in every city, in every country around the world. I'm just going to make it happen.
Yeah.
Pop up everywhere.
All right.
So I'm not going to wait until I see what's going to happen. I'm just going to take action. And however, like I heard you say it the last event before, you was like, where the money going to come from? And you said, wherever it is now.
Right.
So, that's it. So
I love that.
thank you, guys.
All right. Way to go. Congratulations.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, guys. So let me tell you something. I'm super excited. And it's a true fact. You know, at these events, Bob stretches us. He stretches us. He stretches us. And so in October, I said, I'm just going to make it happen. So I made it happen not knowing where or how. I've never owned a juice bar before, right? All I know is I like. So I couldn't worry about how I was going to get it done, where the money was going to come from. So I went on and took the leap of faith. And in that leap of faith, the how came. And so, guys, I'm super excited, you know, to say that Magnificent Smoothies will be all across the world. And it's some more amazing news that I cannot share right this minute. But just know, being at this event has really changed my life. And it confirmed. People at this event in my circle have confirmed that we are making Magnificent Smoothies a franchise. And it's going to be in every city, in every state, all across the world. All right. So I am so happy and grateful now that Magnificent Smoothies all across the world, in every city, in every state, because I deserve to win, guys. So I just wanted to say, push yourself. Don't do something that you know that you can do. Go out there and do something that seems impossible because you put God's name on the line. This is something so big for me, guys. I did not think I could do it, but it's happening. It's happening, it's happening, it's happening. And it's happening so fast that I can't even grasp the way that my life is changing. Okay, guys? So I'm just so happy and grateful right now that my life, my dreams and goals are coming into reality right now. And so I want you guys to go out there and do something. Do something that you just feel like you cannot do. Go forward. Jump. Go ahead and take the leap. Don't worry about how it's going to come. Don't worry about where the money is going to come from. You don't need the money until you have made a commitment. When you have made a commitment, the how will come, guys. All right. So you were created to win. You deserve to win. All right, guys. So I love you. You have a great day. Bye-bye now.